G'day guys, how are we? So, in this video, we're going to be working on my lovely E46. I'm ridiculously excited to start modifying this. A few videos ago, I put a detachable steering wheel in it, and it doesn't stop there because we're going to do heaps more. So, in this video, we're going to be installing this bumper right here. So, it is a E46 M Sport front bumper. There's a pretty big difference between the two. I'll quickly line it up in front of the car and show you guys. So that there is the bumper that's currently on the car. It is just the base model 318i bumper. And we're going to be installing this one right here, which is the M Sport or M3 bumper. And it looks so much better if I put it next to each other. Like, you can tell how much better that looks. So yeah, we're going to install that. I'm with Daniel and Connor. So we've got the boys here. So let's get into the install. Let's go. The first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking off the stock front bumper. I'm going to put you guys on a time lapse when we're doing that, and then when we're done, I'll explain exactly how we did it. So let's get into it. As you guys just saw, we've just gone and got the front bumper off. It was the biggest pain. We had no clue what the hell we were doing, but it was quite funny, so that's all right. What we did by accident, I ripped off the front bumper, broke some parts, so then we figured out exactly what we're meant to be doing. So I'm going to go through and explain to you guys exactly what to do. So, just so you guys don't do the same thing as what we did when we ripped it off, there's a little hole just here in your fender. It's just an 8mm. You want to take that out, and then you've got two bolts. So you got one bolt here, and then one bolt on that side in the little hole. And there's just these big bits here. They're a Torx bit. And then, well, no, what is it? What's it called again?
E-Torx.
E-Torx. And then you've got these little push clips just here. Oh, sorry, no, just here. I think there's like 8 of them. And you've got to take them out, and then the whole bumper is clear. And from there, you can just pull it out quite easily. Just pull down and pull, and you're good. So, that was a little bit of a pain in the bum, but we got there in the end. Just took us a few hours. But yeah, so I guess let's get on to fitting the new bumper. But before we do that, we're gonna pull the car out a little bit and give it a quick clean, because that was Daniel's request. Yeah, it's filthy. It is absolutely filthy. But yeah, so we're gonna pull it out, give it a quick rinse, and pull it back in and fit the new front bumper, which is gonna be awesome. So let's do that right now. So I have gone and ripped off the front bumper, and I've also gone and cleaned it, so it's nice and clean now. I just got dirt all over my hands from doing that. It's clean enough, but so now we're going to bring in the new bumper and we're going to chuck that on. Now the new front bumper's got no clips. They've been broken when someone took it off, but I got it for ridiculously cheap, so I can't really complain. I'll just have to get me either my old Mantis 3D print some stuff, or I'll make something up. So should be pretty simple, but let's go ahead and do that right now. That looks mad, bro. That slammed on its ground can look hectic.
Yeah, dude.
Hell yeah. So, as you guys can see, we have got the front bumper on. It doesn't really fit because it is a coupe front bumper and this is a sedan. It's also an M3 front bumper, so it's come off an M3. So basically, I'm going to have to do a little bit of a dodginess to get this on. It's not going to really be dodgy, but it's not how it's meant to go on. I'm just going to tech screw it on and use a few cable ties and all that sort of stuff. So basically the whole Jap spec type thing, I don't care. It's not going to come off. It's not really dodgy. It's just a different way of mounting it, I guess. But yeah, so we're going to mount this, and then I shall see you guys when we get the fitment pretty much perfect. I'm going to try to go as perfect as possible. So See you guys in 2 seconds. Alright, so just so you guys know what I'm using, we're using Tek screws. I went and bought these from Bunnings, and they should do the job. Just gonna make sure when you do it, you're gonna get Tek screws that go into metal. So they're gonna have this type of head right here. But yeah, should be pretty good because these are nice tough ones. And we'll just get into place and then take you in. Sponsored by Tek screws, I reckon. Done.
Done. Installed.
Oh, bro, that looks hectic.
That's me.
That works as well.
Motherfucker, I've been mortified, 45, feeling like a Mordecai. I ain't regular, feel like Jordan wearing 45. Traumatized, victimized, seen some of my die. Knock you off a base with a bat when them niggas slide.
Alright, so we have gone and installed the front bumper. It looks like awesome. As you guys can see here, it looks absolutely sick. I'm sorry for the sun. Can we get the sun to go away? There we go. Look at that. That looks awesome. I'm so happy with that. But yes, I'm ridiculously happy with it. This car is going to look sick. I'm so damn excited. I've got a front lip I'm looking at getting. I'm going to put it right here, just to screenshot it on my phone. And let me know what you guys think in the comments, or if you think I should get a different lip. It's just because that's pretty cheap. I'm trying to keep this car on a budget, and I still think this looks really, really good. So let me know in the comments if you think I should get a different lip, or whatever you think I should get. But I'm so damn excited for this build, like seriously, this is probably one of my most excited builds, which is kind of sad. Yeah, we've basically just fixed this whole bumper on with Tek screws. So we've got, I think we've got one in the side there, we've got one underneath the headlight, one in the middle, one underneath the headlight, and then one on the other side. I'm going to put a lot more Tek screws in it when I wrap the car, and all that sort of stuff, and make it a little bit more sturdy, so don't worry about that. But yeah, for now, that is perfect. I don't drive this car like at all, so I don't have to worry about that because I got another car like my daily. But yeah, so anyways, but if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget the thumbs up. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, and let me know in the comments what you'd like me to do to this car, and I shall see you guys next video. See you later.